If you live in Miami, you know its climate is tough on everything, doors included. The year-round heat, humidity, salty coastal air, and hurricane threats can wear down poorly chosen doors faster than you'd expect. That's why picking the right door material is essential for long-lasting beauty, security, and energy savings. Let's look at the best materials for door installation in Miami's unique climate. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass is a top choice for Miami homes because it can handle heat, humidity, and even heavy rains without warping or rotting. It doesn't swell or shrink the way wood often does. Fiberglass doors also resist dents and scratches, making them perfect for busy households. Many fiberglass doors are designed to look like real wood, giving you a stylish look without the maintenance headaches. Plus, they offer excellent insulation, which is a real bonus for keeping those high electric bills down in Miami's hot summers. Steel doors. Steel doors are another great option, especially for homeowners who prioritize security. Miami's coastal environment is hard on metal, but modern steel doors are built with rust-resistant coatings to stand up to humidity and salt air. These doors are strong enough to withstand harsh winds and debris during hurricane season, giving you peace of mind. They can also be insulated with foam cores, improving energy efficiency while keeping your home cooler in the summer. Impact-resistant glass doors. Many Miami residents love letting in natural light, and glass doors are a beautiful way to do it. However, standard glass won't cut it in a hurricane-prone area. That's why impact-resistant glass doors are a popular choice. These doors use strong, laminated glass that can handle flying debris and intense pressure changes during storms. They also reduce noise and help block harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture from fading in Miami's intense sunshine. Aluminum doors. Aluminum is another smart material for Miami homes. It doesn't rust, and it holds up well against moisture and salty air. Lightweight yet sturdy, aluminum doors can be fitted with hurricane-rated glass for added safety. Homeowners like aluminum doors for their modern look and minimal upkeep. They are a solid option for patio doors or sleek, contemporary entryways. Engineered wood doors. If you love the classic beauty of wood but worry about warping or rotting, engineered wood could be the answer. These doors combine layers of wood with a protective outer veneer, which helps them resist moisture damage much better than solid wood. When properly finished and sealed, engineered wood doors can survive Miami's climate while maintaining that traditional wood charm many homeowners love. Additional tips for Miami door installation. Beyond choosing the right material, you'll want to consider a few other factors when installing a door in Miami. Weather stripping. High-quality seals help keep humid air and rain from leaking inside. Hurricane certification. Look for doors that meet Florida's strict wind and impact codes. Professional installation. Even the best door can fail if it's not installed correctly. Hiring a qualified local installer ensures your door performs as it should. In a city like Miami, your door isn't just a style statement, It's your first line of defense against heat, humidity, and storms. The right choice can help you feel secure, stay comfortable, and avoid expensive repairs down the line. Whether you prefer the strength of steel, the low-maintenance appeal of fiberglass, the bright look of impact glass, or the classic style of engineered wood, there is a material that fits your needs. When you invest in a door that can handle Miami's climate, you protect not just your home but also your peace of mind. That's something every Miami homeowner deserves.